welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Bella, and I would totally love if you join me in my YouTube adventures. Okay, I know, 2 weeks. Where you been? Where you been? Where have been? Battling sinuses. Y'all, what is this living in Florida thing? My goodness gracious. Okay, number one, let's jump right into it. I have missed you all so very much, but I'm back. I'm all full of life. My eyes are better. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you totally should. That's where you get to see the real me and all my shenaniganing. Yeah, so today, well, number one, it's a Monday. Number two, it is hot as heck. Is it hot as heck where you are? Is it? I want to know. Tell me. I bet you all my peeps up north are like, Bella, stop it with the hot as heck. Y'all, this is going to be a really good video. I got a really, really good video. This is to inspire us all to get into the spring, summer mood. Come on, the weather's changing. Things are blooming. Oh my God. I have totally forgotten how beautiful certain flowers are. The magnolias are in full bloom all over Southwest Florida. Wherever you go, there's magnolia blooms everywhere, everywhere. It is so beautiful. I mean, obviously this is my first spring down here, and I'm basking in it. I'm basking in it. Anyways, so that's what's been going on with me. I've been feeling kind of whatever. Okay, I got a great video. A great video. I'm missing something. Oh no, they're here. Okay. So, I went and I got this thrifted basket. Let's jump right in. I got this thrifted basket at the Goodwill. $3.99. You can see it there. I'm going to take this off. And we are going to make this arrangement together. And yes, this is going to be a Chatty Cathy video. And yes, you're going to get to see bloopers. And yes, you're going to get to see me drink my lemonade out of my big gulp, which I'm almost done. So that means I'll be crunching on ice. Because, hey, we're keeping it real around here. Okay. Should I point you down? I'm going to point you down. I'm going to point you down and we'll talk and we'll chit chat. And no, I'm not going to point you down. I'm going to move you back so you can see what I'm doing. 1 second. Okay, my sweet friends. So I had to speed this video up. And I'm doing a voiceover because I really over chit-chatted while I was doing this. And I just don't want you all to be sitting here for hours on end listening to me yip yap. Okay, so as you can see here, I already hot glued the styrofoam or the foam into the basket. And I'm showing you the flowers I'm using. I used one fern from Walmart and 2 magnolia bushes, some dogwood from Dollar Tree, some pussy willows from Dollar Tree. You're gonna need wire cutters and some wire also. And you just kind of go to town, and lots of fluffing, lots of fluffing, lots of arranging, but it's gonna come out great. Wait till you see the end result. You're gonna be in shock. Y'all, these ferns from a Walmart are amazing, by the way. You get so much for $5. They have identical one at Hobby Lobby, and I think it's like $24. Yeah, $24 before the discount. So this is an amazing buy from Walmart. I'm telling you, don't sleep on these Walmart ferns. They're fantastic, fantastic, really fantastic. They're a little hard to find sometimes, but when you find them, I'm telling you, pick up a couple of them because it's always good to have them in your stash, especially if you like doing floral arrangements like I do, or even just using the fern itself like just putting it in a pot. Now these stems from Walmart were fantastic buy, and I'm pretty sure they were $3. So as you can see, I'm just cutting them apart, you know, and oh my god, you should have heard me yip-yapping to you guys the whole time I'm doing all this, but I really needed to speed it up or else we would have been here forever. Okay, so this is how I do my arrangements. I'm not a professional floral or florist or whatever you want to call it, but I love doing floral arrangements. I think putting florals in your house like this makes a big, beautiful impact. It always makes a cheery corner in your home. And I just kind of eyeball everything, and I kind of do what makes me feel like it looks good. You know, I try to place things height-wise and space them out properly. Like, I do have some rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. I try anyways. Okay, look how cute that looks already. Already looks cute. Okay, let's get some dogwood in here. I'm telling you, this is going to come out so pretty. And really, y'all, like, if you had to buy something like this, you're looking at big bucks. You're looking at really big bucks. So this is really, like, it's kind of a dupe. It's kind of like a thrifted dupe, I guess you would call it. Now, I am gonna, like, fluff this out and move them around because I only have 4 dogwoods and I only have 4 pussy willows. And I didn't want to go buy any more. I'm like, you know what? That's enough. That's enough for this arrangement. Like, I didn't want to overdo it either. But I would have liked it to have more dogwood. But that's okay. That's okay. Maybe if I, you know, stop in a Dollar Tree and find dogwood, I'll get some. But for now, it's good as it gets. The one thing I have to say about using faux florals is that you always get to bend them, and that's the best part for me. I like to be able to bend them. My sweet friends. So I just moved it to the side, but I want to show you one last thing. Now I took these off of a different Dollar Tree arrangement. They were selling them for like $1.25, and they had these little butterflies on them. But they were so, like, little, and I was, like, not impressed. But I kept the flowers anyways. I might do something else with them. Let me show you what I want to do. I want to take this butterfly, and I cut some green wire, floral wire, and I'm just poking it in the stem. Like in there, can you see in there? Okay. And I'm gonna take the green floral wire and I'm going to wrap it. But I want my butterfly to sit out like as if it's coming to see my flowers. Well, fell, of course. Maybe we could use some hot glue. And this butterfly is kind of... Okay, let's put this butterfly. This one's prettier. Okay, so my butterfly is coming to see my flowers. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to put a few more butterflies on. I'm going to try to make these flatten out a bit. And then I will show you where I'm going to put this, and we are going to do what we do best on Monday. What do we do best on Monday, Bella? What do we do on Monday? Oh, now. Did you all forget what we do on Monday? I hope you were doing it while I was gone. I really do. I really hope that some of you were at least declaring some amazing things in your lives, some amazingness to come into your lives. Because you know how important it is. This butterfly is not going to want to cooperate. Okay, let me tie the thing first. And then I'll get her on. She fell down. She fell down, y'all. It's okay. Let me get this one. This one's pretty. Maybe I should use hot glue with this, but I just thought this was so cute. There we go. Nope. Nope. Come on, lady. See how I told you, hit and miss today. But it's fun. Life is fun. There we go. So cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, let me put the other butterflies on and I'll be right back. What a big, it's huge. It's really big. This is something that you would buy at a high-end boutique. Definitely. Definitely this is something you would buy at a high-end boutique. I've seen some like this without butterflies, of course. Of course without butterflies. I mean, the butterflies were my idea. I just thought it would be cute to have butterflies come to the flowers. I thought it would be adorable. Magnolias and magnolia arrangements, I've seen them range huge prices. They run pretty big. And something that substantial like that basket's really, really big. So what did I spend? I spent $3.99 on the basket, $5 for the fern, $5 or $3 for the magnolia bush. The dogwood I had, but it is from the Dollar Tree, and I used 4. And the pussy willows are from the Dollar Tree, and I used 4. And then the butterflies. I mean, you don't have to do the butterflies. So really, what, $20? $20? No way. No. This is much, much nicer than $20. Oh yeah, anyone that's gonna see this in your home, if this inspired you, I hope this inspired you. Go out, find something, do it. It'll be really, really, really nice. Especially in your dining room. Oh, could you imagine? Or out on your back porch. Now springtime. Oh, so pretty. Okay, y'all, it's Monday. You made it to the end of the video. Did you declare this week? Did you declare this morning? Did you get up and say, it is a brand new week, it is Monday, it's the greatest day of the week? Did you declare what you want to come into your life? Kick all that negativity out the door? I'm a little rusty today making this video. I realize that. Anyways, I want to wish you all a very blessed and beautiful week ahead. Have a wonderful, wonderful week ahead. Come back and see me on maybe Wednesday, maybe Thursday. We'll see. Keep cool if you're down south and already melting, like me. And if you're up north and freezing still, I'm sorry, don't worry, the weather will warm up. So I miss you all so, so much. So have a beautiful and blessed week ahead. And I'll catch up with you very, very soon. Mwah. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.